Hi folks, how are you all doing today? Today we're learning about how to create a math table generator. Okay, we already have created something similar to this in Playlab, right? We have generated the math table there, right? But I hope we have not created app for it. There are multiple ways of creating app for generating math tables, right? So maybe we can discuss other methods also, right? Today, let's see one of the methods, okay? So let's just click on design because we already know after knowing the purpose of the app, we have to definitely design it, right? Math table generator. Okay, let's save this. Let's choose a theme quickly. Just choosing orange theme. Okay, then like it's up to you if you wanna have, I mean, if you wanna create multiple tables, right? In the multiple screens, that's again a different thing. But yeah, today I'm just creating it in one single screen. Okay, let's try and do this. So let's first just say tables or math tables. Okay, let's just increase the font size to 20. Yeah, I think this is good because we want so many labels here on the screen, so that's why. So I'm just getting one. Let's um, let's increase the width as 200. Okay, yeah, right. I'll change the height as 30. Good. Increase the font size as 20. Better, I think. Yeah. So let's remove the text now. So let's change the text alignment as center. Let's write something like 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4. Good. This looks better. Now, this is the first label, right? Let's say one label. Okay. Duplicate this. I'll just drag it and place it down. I will say two label. Okay. And let's duplicate this. If you have not been watching my previous videos yet, please do go back to my channel and watch, okay, how to design the apps and all, right? If you're not understanding something over here, definitely you should get that in the previous videos, right? Because we are discussing everything in sequence and I can't really discuss everything in every video, right? So please do go back to my channel, Folks Hub, and do watch all the videos in sequence for a better understanding, and it feels like a course for you all guys, right? So just I'm just creating all the labels. I'm just duplicating all the labels basically. One, two, three, four, five, right? Let's duplicate. Okay. So this is label six. So six label. Let's write seven label. Okay. Let's write eight label. Okay. Duplicate. Let's place this nine label. Last one 10 because we have it till 10, right? So that's why. Okay. 10 label. table. Okay. Now, everything is fine. We have all the things, right? I hope we also would need another screen now. I just feel it now. Let's add another screen. Okay. This will be the main screen. Main screen. On the main screen, let's just add a label. This will be the title label. Okay. Let's increase the font size to 50. Let's adjust this on the screen. Yeah, this is better, right? Now just below this, I'm just taking input box. Let's increase the font size to 20. Increase the width also to 250. Height to 40, right? Let's give the placeholder as type number here. I think not type, enter number here. Okay. And then we'll get this place a button to trigger the program. That's it. Okay. So I'm just writing C table. Okay. When they click on it, we'll move to the next screen and we'll show the table, right? So this is how I'm just gonna write this. Let's check. First thing, we have to set the main screen. So set screen to main screen. Okay. Then on event. Now, so first thing is when you click on the C table button, that means button 1, right? After entering the number here, it will redirect you to the second screen. Let's do it like that. So if button 1 click, right? So this is the button 1. Then we have to set screen to next screen. Set screen to screen 1. Okay. Let's check. Run. So let's say I'll just give 2 C table. Yeah, it is showing the next screen. Okay. After showing the next screen, not only that is enough, right? It also has to show all the values over here for the 2 table. Okay. Let's do something like that now, right? To do that, first we have to get the value and let's store it in a variable. Okay. So let's create a variable first. We can create it outside this where num equal to 0. You can initialize this, right? So now x equals to, that means num equal to, we are getting the text from this text input. Okay. So or get number from, let's go to main screen, text input 1. Okay. So not 10 label, text input 1. So we are getting the number from text input 1 and we are storing it inside num. Okay. Now, first we have to just actually let's display 2 multiplied by 1 equal to 2, something like that we have to display. And this should continue looping itself, right? So 10 times it has to loop itself and it has to display on different labels, right? So either we can write it individually. I mean, like I chose that method, right? So I'm just writing individually, okay? Not using any loop. But yeah, definitely you can use a loop and do that, right? So I'm just using set text method now. Set text on, let's go to screen 1. Yeah. Okay, 1 label. set text on one label. What is the text we are gonna set is, we need a concatenation operator first, right? What exactly we are trying to concatenate, I will tell you. So first thing is, it's, let's suppose this is 2 table. So 2 multiplication value, then 1, okay, equal to 2. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things we have to join, right? Then we at least need 4 plus operators, right? So let's click on it. 4 plus operators means I'm just 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces are there. 4 spaces are not enough. We need one more also. Just placing it over here. Starting off with this, first we have to write the whatever the number is there, that number we have to place, right? So that's why I'm using the variable here, num. Okay. Then the multiplication sign. So what I'll do, I'll put quotes. Within this, I'll give one space. I'll put X symbol, give another space. Okay. Then we have to write 1. Okay. So in double quotes, I'll just give one space and write 1, give another space. Okay. Then we have to show equal to sign, space, equal to space. I mean, let's see if this will be more or less. Lastly, the product value we have to show. So just taking the multiplication sign, num multiplied by 1, right? Okay. So this is for the first one. Likewise, we have to display it for all others. Okay. Let's do it quickly. So I'm just copying this, pasting it. Instead of 1, let's say 2 label, num multiplied by 2. Okay, num multiplied by 2. Let's first check it for them. Let's say I'm just writing 2. 2 multiplied by 1 equal to 2. 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4. Perfect, right? We can continue and do it. So this is 3 label. Reset. So this will become 3 now. This also will become 3 now. Okay. So what exactly we are trying to do, I hope you all guys understood this. We are getting the text input value inside this num variable, right? So I'm just getting num. We are showing multiplication sign first, then number 1, because 2 ones 2, or 8 ones 8, or 10 ones 10, like that, right? So that's why I'm writing 1, then equal to sign, then the product value. Okay. Num multiplied by 1 will give you the actual product, right? This is the multiplication operator. Okay. So same way we have to do it for all others, and I'm just trying to do that thing. Okay. So let's click on it and write 3, right? Then this will be 4 label. So where's 4 label? Here. Here the text will be 4. Here also the text will be 4. Okay. Next, 5 label. Here the text will be 5. Here also the text will be 5. Okay. So like I told you, this is not only the method of doing it, right? There are multiple ways of doing this, but I am doing it in this way. Okay. So this is one of the simplest ways, right? That's why I'm just using this thing. Okay. But don't worry, there are some other methods also. This should not definitely be the only way. Okay. So let's take the 8 label now, then 9 label, lastly 10 label. Okay. So after 5, this will be, sorry, 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. Last one will be 10. Okay. So now this one will be 6. This one will be 7. This one will be 8. This one is 9. The last one is 10. Perfect. Okay. Let's check this quickly now. So let's say 19 table. 19 once 19, 38, so on. Perfect, right? If you want to check this again, let's write 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Perfect, right? That's it, guys. This is a math table generator. Now you can generate any table, right? Literally. So maybe let's suppose you want 38 table. Wow, 38 table. Let's say you want 481 table. Wow. Okay. So I hope you got this thing. It can actually generate any table now, right? So this is like here the process is we are just manually placing everything by the concatenation in every label, right? You can also do like this. You can um, also do it something like this, right? How means we can generate labels on the go, right? Dynamic generation of the labels. You can do it like that, okay? By dynamically generating the labels, placing all the text or the content, whatever you want, you can place it, right? So you can loop the thing, okay? Even now, we can actually loop it and do this, right? That's a little bit lengthy. I mean, no, the explanation will be lengthy, but you can actually do that also. Okay. So looping this one particular statement here and this ID thing, right? I just have to concatenate that particular ID. That's it. Okay. So you can do that. Like maybe I can change the IDs and do it. Okay. Label 1, label 2, label 3. So I can create something like that and do it. And the content will be like if you loop it, you're using the that particular variable, okay? So you will have counter variable for this. The product will be same, of course, right? So that's how you can do it, right? I don't know if you can understand this or not, right? But yeah, mm, someday we'll do that. Okay. So this was all about our today's math table generator. I hope you like this and you also can easily understand this. This is the easiest way of doing it, right? Because you manually are placing everything, so I don't really think you'll have a confusion in this. It's a very small code and simple code too, right? So yeah, but we do not have a back button, right? So let's create a back button also. This will become complete. Okay. So on this screen, I'll just place a back button. Let's just decrease the size to 50, drag it over here, place it over here. Let's write the text as back. Let's go to code on event. The button ID is button 2. When button 2 click, set screen to screen 1. That's it. Not screen 1, main screen. Let's run. Let's say 1024. Wow. Okay, this thing. I think we can increase the width of the label to adjust this one. Okay, no issues. Now we got to understand that if you have 4 digits, that means this width is not enough. Okay. So when you click on back button, it will go back. You can again change the number and write any other number. Okay. So let's reset. We can also increase the label size, right? From 200 to 250. See? Or you can also say 300. This is also fine. But yeah, you will have to adjust every label now. Okay, no issues. Let's do it. Wait. Yeah. So let's write 300. Adjust the label properly. 300. Let's place this properly. Next 300. So the X position, I think I can fix the X position, right? So why am I struggling a lot? So let's change this to 10. Yeah, yes. I think I'll not manually drag it. When we have positions, we can use the positions. Right? So 10, last one also 10. Okay. This one, change this to 300. Change the X position to 10. Wow, this becomes easy, na? Okay, sometimes we have to use simple procedures. So this will be 300 and the X position will be 10. So from 10 it starts. You might be wondering, how do I know that this is position 10? It's very simple. I'm giving the width as 300, right? So the complete width is 320. So if you want the same gap on the left and right, definitely you have to give 10 pixels on left, 10 pixels on right, because it's 320, right? That's why I'm writing 10 simple. Okay. Nothing like a rocket science or something here. Okay. Very simple, pretty simple. So let's say this time let's say one, or why to give the same number, right? This is 2022. Let's give that. Wow, pretty. Very nice, right? So when you click on back, it again goes back. Again, you can see the table, right? So this is all about our today's session, guys. I hope you all understood this and you really liked this session. Yeah, you enjoyed creating this math table generator app, right? So I'll be looking forward and for your comments in the comment section below and your support, right? If you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel. Okay. And yeah, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub. I'll be meeting you all guys in the next session. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, guys.